Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Southekayi Saaru, also known as Mangalore cucumber. So let's begin with the video. So in a cooker I have added in washed dal. To that I have added in salt, some turmeric powder, red chili powder, 1.5 cups of water. Turning on the flame to medium, I am going to pressure cook this for about 5 to 6 medium whistles. Then turn off the stove and wait till all the pressure is released and then check whether the dal is soft. Okay. Now in the other stove, in a pan on medium flame, I'm adding in some oil. To that I'm adding in asafoetida, some coriander seeds, methi seeds, cumin seeds, chana dal, URAD dal, breaking in few dry red chilies and adding in 10 to 15 leaves of curry leaves, and I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes. So keep continuously sauteing it and turn off the flame once they have turned to light brown. So you can see they have turned to light brown. You need to switch off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. Now in a blending jar, I'm going to add in this cooled mixture. Also adding in desiccated coconut, you can as well use fresh coconut. Add in some water enough to make fine paste and blend all of this together. The consistency should be like this, not too flowy, not too thick, just a paste. Okay. Also in a small bowl, add in 1 lemon size of tamarind and water and soak this for about 20 minutes. So as I said, once the pressure of the cooker is released, then you open the lid and continuously stir like this so that the dal gets mashed. Okay, keep that aside. Now in a separate vessel, I've added in some water and kept the flame as high here. To this I'm adding in some salt, some jaggery powder and chopped Mangalore cucumber. Okay, so I have chopped this in cubes like this. Remove the seeds and chop them like this into small cubes. Now we'll allow this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, I'll show you, they have turned soft. When you break them like this, you can see that they are easily breakable and they require another 15 minutes to cook. So at this stage we add in the tamarind juice. Squeeze out the tamarind well so to extract all the juices from it. Add in the tamarind juice as well as the blended paste, also the mashed up dal and the little water from the mixie jar. Mix all of this together, adjust salt per taste and boil this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir in intervals. Meanwhile, once you know that you can off the stove there, we'll start doing tempering. So in a small tempering vessel, I've added in some oil. Once it's hot, I'm adding in mustard seeds and broken dry red chilies, adding in also a pinch of asafoetida and few curry leaves, like 10 to 15 leaves. And I'm going to saute this for about a minute or two on low flame. Turn off the stove Now as you can see, your mixture is boiling for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just give in a quick mix. You see the consistency should be like this, not too thick, not too flowy, exact consistency. That is when you add in this tempering. Keep in mind that when you are going to turn off the stove of this boiling mixture, that is when you do the tempering, and immediately add the tempering into this vessel. After you add in the tempering, mix it once and turn off the stove. So your Southekayi Saaru or Mangalore cucumber Saaru is ready. So you can have this with hot rice or even like dosa or even with idli. So enjoy this recipe and leave a comment in the section down below how you liked it. Also make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all next time in the upcoming videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.